What's going on, guys? I want to do a quick little training for you guys. I want to show you guys a perfect example of how prior resistance is now acting as current support. So with that being taken into context, what we are looking at here is the Amazon 1 hour time frame. If we go back just to last week, coming off these earnings here for Amazon, last Thursday, Friday, we had a big run up. Look at the rejection spot here at around 138, 139, right? We got rejection here, we back test, we got rejection here, we back test, we got rejection here, we back test, right? So if we kind of look at this, if I put another drawing line here, kind of mark this as a support zone, look at what we've got going on Amazon, right? This 139 area acting as a level of resistance. What did we do when we broke this area? We broke this area, we back tested, right? So this is a perfect break and retest. You would buy in here off the retest and then you ride it long again. Look at what we did when we came up to that 143, 144 area. We came into this area, we consolidated. We came into this area, we back tested. What did we back test? The original resistance, right? Old resistance becomes new support. What did we do today? We exploded off the open. We put in a new high at 144.23. This still remains our macro level to the long side. If we're looking to trade long, we get in over 144.23. But look at this, where we came down to, again, that 138.90, that 139. Now, here's where things get dicey to the short side. Anything below the 138.93 or 139 is going to now invalidate this prior resistance that is now acting as new support. So if we break through this, then it puts us back into this range with 133 being the maximum potential here on the support. So if we break this area, even if we put in a new low and then we start to back test, even if we get back up to the 139 and we chop around and we lose it again, well, any confirmation through that new low puts us immediately validation to the 133 support here, and that's the range that we have to play down. Now there's two ways that you can play this. You can wait for 139 to break and you can take your odds on the short position and wait to see if when we back test, do we hold firm under that? If we do, you continue to hold your short. Or you can take an opportunity to go long here, but if you go long here, make sure you use this low as your stop, right? So all you're doing is bouncing it off this support with intentions to ride this back up into 140, 141 and beyond, right? Make sure you take profits on the way. However, if we bounce and get rejected somewhere at the 20 SMA and then roll over and lose this again, I would get out of that position. So that's how you can play this both sides. You just have to have a game plan. Do you want to wait for the short, or do you want to bounce it here and use the 139, 138 level as your stop loss? Hope that video helps.